Okay, Whitney, in a problem like this, when you're looking at a beam that's cut into two pieces, let's change the problem up for just a second and think about it another way. So the whole board is 7 feet long, and in our problem, we don't know the length of this piece over here. It just tells us that its length is x. But let's pretend for a second that that length is 3 feet instead. Wouldn't you agree with me that if this was 3, this piece over here would be equal to 4 feet, right? And we would get that by doing the length of the board, the 7 that we started with, minus the length of the piece that we know, right? So in a different example where we know that the first piece is length 3, we can calculate the other one pretty easily, right? Okay, well, just because we don't know the length of this piece right here doesn't change the logic of how we're going to get an expression for our other piece. And if you read the instructions on this problem, it says that we were trying to write an expression for the length of that piece in terms of x. What that means is we're going to have an x in our answer, and there's nothing that we can do about. Okay, we're just going to follow the exact same logic that we did over here. We're going to take the length of our board, which is 7, minus the length of the piece that we know, which is x, and that is going to give us an expression for the length of the other piece. Okay, it's fine that it's got an x in it because the instructions tell us to find it in terms of x anyway. Okay, so hopefully that helps. Please let me know if you have any other questions.